Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have here all of my stickers and collections for the new release, which is coming out this Friday, February 16th. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is the freebie. So all orders placed from this point on in February will get this freebie. So you have 3 deco stickers, a laptop icon, to-do script, and a Happy Mail icon, 2 circles and swatches, and this is printed on the premium white matte paper. So every order from this point onwards will get this freebie. And then the first collection you've already seen. This was featured in my A5 Common Planner Plan With Me, and it is the Watercolor Panties. So these are hand painted by me using fountain pen ink, and then I scan them and make them into these collections. And you can see that these are printed on either clear matte, which is what I used in my Common Planner, or the premium white matte. So you can either purchase the whole collection as these 4 sheets or individually a la carte. So you have the deco sheet, which has 5 stickers, the circles, which I've also painted, and I love the different shadings that you get with each one. Then the dots and the swatches, and then you have the quote and washi. And what I love about the functional and these 2 decorative is that you can actually use them for headers or use them for deco without having to worry about finding other things that match. So this is the Watercolor Pansy set. The next collection was also hand painted by me using fountain pen ink, and these are the Watercolor Hyacinths. And I feel like this is so springy, and just one of the things about hyacinths is that, I believe it's hyacinths, or is it bluebells? I'll show you the bluebells, but hyacinths just scream spring to me with all of these colors. So you have the, oh, there goes my printer, the deco sheet, the dots and the swatches, and then you have the circles, and then the quote and washi. And the washi just looks like a field of hyacinths. It's really, really stunning. So again, you can print this or have this printed on either premium white matte or clear matte. And if you wanted to as well, you can purchase this as a digital collection and print at home. So that is the Watercolor Hyacinth collection. This next collection was so fun to paint. These are the watercolor bluebells, and I've seen bluebells in person when I lived in England, and they are just stunning, and you can really smell spring when you can smell the bluebells. So, and you can see the detail here on the clear matte sheet. So that is the deco sheet that has 6 stickers. And then you have the dots and swatches. I really love the shading in all of these. And then the circles, and the quote and washi, all as well when you smell the bluebell. Gosh, I'm trying to come up with like good quotes, or find really good quotes that are both funny and corny or pun-like, and there were some that were hard for plants, really, really hard for plants. So that is the Watercolor Bluebells collection. Next is a collection that really frustrated me to know, and I was trying hard to paint these bunnies, and I had so many different efforts that I didn't like because I'm using a different type of medium. I'm not using watercolors, I'm using fountain pen ink, so they're not going to react the same way as watercolor paint. So I had to combine what I was learning about watercolor and do my own thing with the fountain pen ink, and I'm really happy with how these bunnies turned out. Like, how cute are they? I mean, look at their little bums. Oh my gosh. So this is actually currently printed on the premium white matte, but you can certainly get it on the clear matte. So this is the deco sheet, the dots and swatches. I actually really love these, love them. And then you've got the circles, and then you have the quote and washi. I love this. I just want somebody to love. But like, how cute are they on that washi strip, just staring at each other? How cute. So that is the Watercolor Bunnies collection. One of my, I think it's my favorite actually out of this whole release. And then lastly, something for St. Patrick's Day, we have the Fourleaf Clovers. I have released Fourleaf Clovers before, but those were done in Procreate. These ones are done in fountain pen ink, and I'm really happy with how these turned out. So you have the deco sheet here with 7 different stickers. Then you have the swatches and dots with the different shades of the yellow and green. Then you have the circles, and then the quote and washi and the mini deco as well. It's cute as Clover in the patch. And look at those. I really love the colors of these 4-leaf clovers. So that is the 4-leaf clover collection. So there are all the stickers for this month's release. Let's just lay them out here. I am actually really proud of these. I think I'm finding a good rhythm, or at least my style when it comes to using fountain pen ink and painting these collections. I'm really proud of these, and I'm just so happy to be able to share these with you as stickers. So let's move these up. There we go. And then the freebie as well. All right, so these will be released on Friday, February 16th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and you can use the code HELLOLOVE15. So that's HELLOLOVE15 for 15% off until Monday, February 19th, which is Family Day in Canada and President's Day in the US. So you have all weekend to use that code. Let me know which collection is your favorite out of these ones, or if you have more than one. I really love the bunnies. Those are my favorite. All right, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Otherwise, thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.